In this video, I'll show you how to use Global Design settings to speed up the process of customizing your site. Global Design is a great place to start editing. This is where you'll be able to set default options for things such as text, button color, backgrounds and more, all of which will immediately apply across the site. This allows you to set a design once and then forget it. In the side panel, click Design. Here you can see that it's possible to make global changes to text, buttons, images, rows, site background, and site navigation layout. In each of these options, you can make several changes that will affect all pages. Global text is where you can change font families, colors, alignment, and size of paragraphs and site titles. Global buttons allows you to customize the colors, shapes, and overlay effects of the site's buttons. Global images is where you can choose the format and borders of images displayed on the site. Global rows allows you to define the row's design in terms of background color, default spacing, and column spacing. Site background allows you to choose a solid color or image as the background for your website. Here you can choose to change just one or more pages, or make the change to the entire site at once. Site layout is where you can choose the navigation style for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Be careful when going through these settings, as changing a single option will change all the pages on the site that contain that type of element. You can always override default settings by making design changes to specific elements. Give it a try, check out the rest of our website builder tutorials, or get in touch with us today.